I did my master's at the University of Bristol. And I had definitely made up my mind that I wanted to get as much work experience as I could in the time that I had. So the moment I came to the UK, I started using my university's resources, the career services, and I got as much exposure as I could in the first 2 months itself. So they had workshops on how to make a CV that is UK proof, and writing a cover letter, interview skills, things like that. So definitely get a hold of these resources early on in your journey, because as you progress forward in your course as well, things start to get difficult, and then you need to spend time on your coursework. So use your time wisely. Yeah.
I think it's depend on the, I would say like initially everyone coming to UK might need part-time job for two different reasons. One is the experience, but another one is the getting some extra and some extra money uh, for expenses and things. So I would say good part-time will give you enough money in terms of finance, but mainly if it aligns with your future, or especially if what you are doing studying here, that would be really good, I think.
I think just adding on to what Nalan said, it should be a nice sweet spot between the finances and the sort of skills you would gain. But initially, I would suggest put more focus on the skills, because while you are building those skills, you would actually end up getting better jobs. So, driving my own experience, and again, building on what Vinifer said, uh, on my second day of landing on UK, I had a subway job. Now, it was definitely nowhere related to the role or the type of course I was going, but it was really good confidence boost because of the accent difference. Now, I come from India, and I honestly could not easily understand their accent, the British accent. But what subway helped me in only 1 week was just getting used to the accent, getting confidence to speak with them and have some sentences to greet them. And then in a span of 4 months, I changed 7 part-time jobs. So what I'm trying to say here is part-time jobs are not a long commitment job. So you can switch as many times as you want. If you think you have captured whatever you can,
First you need to find the job that you like to do, or what's it's going to help your futures. But then the next thing is, the job that I found is that I was able to highlight my skills, like I was having same experience before I start this job. You need to show them like really this is so value, what you can offer to them. And same time, I think that what helped me to get my like the part-time opportunity, and same time continue with it basically.